ochina masabeti naso sia wona so bi da se eto de de na bibi pampo na mentiase a mefa fo flo ama mama ne me kra entie ubie mu da because me wiase me baaye unya me bone da me na maye obi ti adwi Pompa say, Yankupon the engine, Yamid Mbaba Drasum Jemo Ghana. Miss Ramo sell some inside the Mia Papa could be ho. This because my yak crab is some a mina my own pony. Me pacho. A titty wooden penny for you above today. Me put here won't be a wood duck of him, sir. Me make a be furious.
God bless you. God bless you.
You know, dear Sibiano, a bean Sibian da.
Obama, me and a mother pick
one kind and Bible and China Madru Ghana.
Me airport.
Cosra, me Papa Badu Kobi na. They go to get from my club on his you cannot use so many years to tarnish somebody image. I better win him home marching. Now, me fafo kura efre papa nse me panacho na media ne kura me tena so afe kura papa panacho wa me nye satisfied. I want to meet this man. Na me buko to get papa panacho.
Jesus Christ.
That's it. I'm not sure why. It will say, I'm here to apologize to you. I did my
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. The identity. Yes. That is Christianity. If you don't have forgiveness spirit, if you don't have forgiveness heart, then God also will never forgive you.
Yeah.
There is no better word in the Bible. It's forgiveness. 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 1. As me do nipa ni abofo tetere makasa na me ni ba. The center word, the 4-letter word that God used to save humanity is love. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, and whosoever believeth in Him should not perish. Because they were Pemukano when I'm in the channel. Yadi Acho, and pay for me, Papa Kofi Boache, my poor man, my Yendo, Obaruba Kobe Pia.
Aye, me, I'm Pakwa. Me say, can I say, afraid Omo use media. Omo fam me, Mammy Gege, my black bonnet and Sato na Emma Obi. Enko kasentia penyini bi so ye minister so ye penyini so ye sofo wa ye bibi mpo na se anso wani a dress no wa bra nipa no on attack bi wo mfie eye mabusuafo eye munuano ma enka ye ebia bi wo hono mo a mumu bi no enka mo mle enti no e ma munyu su media and disrespect e penyini bi a o meka wo Minister, MP, President, lawyer, the petition, even young pie,
fantastic.
Osofo be our own child prompt also, and now one tarnish war. Mr. Mofa media to because me on Yamejia Gemino, because the Amicasa Yama penny be an answer for be ya. Who be our year, me? Senye nyame na jemia ebi a wodie ombe ye ho na gu so wo mo be kese e wo mo dem gu so ombe ye nioma bebre de gu so ba ma catch you say ebi a wodie ni duru a you will never survive. Media I am survivor, my survival.
God bless you, my sister.
My survival into me, I am the living testimony. And my obi a plan is any money be and my own yebi. Before I be come obi who say the plan be come once. God
bless you.
Really apostle, we have about your Ng3g3 platform so Pouch Osofo Savior, Unia Bangeke, and that the Onwa become a Tunanumutu. When you surprise,
okay, now you go is not there. So 108.
Obi actually again. O chance no kasa na. On say the o chance kasa na to akoma so.
Ko dada che. Me pa wa chaw enne ya me pa wa chaw. Na ochina masabetia wo na so. Me tia wo na so bie mu da. Se eto de ade na bibi pampo na mentiase a. Me fa fo afro. Na ma no ne me kra entie ubie mu da because me wiase a me baaye wonya me bone da me na maye obi enti anadwi me bompa ese nyankopon de enche nyame de mbeba bedu asomdwe mu ogana
That's right.
me sra mo se wo be so me nsa de me akopapa Kobi ho this man because my Kobi ho e me na maye omo bone me pacho
obia de acho me no obia kasa
pacho
obia de acho obia de acho
mama no tia obia bie mu da etitiri fuyi ni mpanyi fuyi o mabo.
All right, I'm just going to make a very show. Now, on to any function. Of course, maybe any Goodman Benjamin, ever blessed. And of course, I'm saying, the bitter truth is always said, you know, the comfortable lives. None what that. Mami Ng3g3, any Apostle Kennedy. Now, Apostle Kennedy, live show on TikTok. So Ng3g3 a chance in on the live show and or picking it up. And what in Ng3g3 is all about apology. She was rendering on qualified apology to Kennedy. And of course, she was seeking for forgiveness. I believe in the fact that these things Ng3g3 one anyone because a pain. And you know, the evidence or says subim, why a pain and what says subim. Now, in all, no, in Koya Baby Dino, Ng3g3 say, simple, so for phone, Osofo Badu Kobi. Ekwana, Nekra Huntono, unless Wakopa Pananim. Now, this is something that, Yenino, say, Yanutum. Of course, I will. Because I can't wait for the day that Mami Ng3g3 will meet Osofo Badu Kobi. Look into his eyes and say, Papa, I'm sorry. And of course, I can't wait for the day that Osofo Badu Kobi, after some Mami Ng3g3, I can't wait, you know. I know very well what it. But I can't look for the day that Osofo Badu Kobi will say, or maybe will look through the eyes of Mami Ng3g3 and say, sir, and you know why baby. And you pay. And you know, I have forgiven you. I know the Prophet Badu Kobi that no will do this. Papa baby I will be on board in a casa uncle so. Na me and I mean come on. Say I am baby dino, other room. No come home and American. But the question is that again and Ng3g3 edu pempensuwi. Why is Ng3g3 looking or maybe searching for Osofo Badu Kobi to render unqualified apology? When Ng3g3 did the chia, it do pempensuwi. And the question is, whatever it is that Ng3g3 was saying, who was feeding Ng3g3 that information? Because per my chest and what I know, Ng3g3 has never met Osofo Badu Kobi in any way. Ng3g3 has never come and encounter. She has never done any business with Osofo Badu Kobi. Import na busuya. And you know, busa say, na every hin ne baby. Bible says suntu dia ne beba, nemum dia nam no so beba. Onu no nwie. na suntudia we nyina no emfi ba bia efimian papa wo ne bae jenei Osofo Reverend Obi die nkweni nie I die because enne nipa na o share no e man twan tro nipa na o portray yourself to her say we angel wona onko na wo ye wo wiase nipa na wo body share odwan wo ma kire no say omo a nyame dwumam omo ye papa chem ani brain ti no na pese obo di obo to form nipa na e kasa nti ye jani nyuma so de me dan say ngega ma odi ba be mi bo odin e de abehye wadwa ho no greni ne me de mi bo odin de abehye gomi the bitter truth is always said here mi bo odin e de abehye makana several times say fine ngega was doing her own thing on social media, but the worst thing Ngega on social media, the enemies that Ngega has encountered, and I say on one case invite someone who on social media no if you mean papa Reverend Obi on your side because of Reverend Obi say ne Obi say on your social media ne no say on your ohun Ngega one on one say about ko nku ne nyonku a ene na nyame kwa ni ho a so be abomodi edu that pempen so we a Emfiobia, if you ever know be. But in as much as someone who has really followed this man, everybody generated this kind of enviness and I said this kind of enemies around her. No? And the Busa say, what is this man saying about the lady? Reverend, this is the time you guys need to bow down your heads in shame. Only a do Berchie. Onu me say edu Berchie de bia me body din uni edu Berchie kwasea no ye nya sofo a one na kola kwasea edu Berchie kwotena ase e sure skit to am say e kan ntwonku a se de be ya someone be hye no ho akonfo no okunu ene nsanka wurade say Osofo Badu Kobi is alive to see or to hear all these things. Biema no ka che me papa Reverend Obi se oyini pa boni ni obi chenche ya onti ase ya ka so obi ani pa boni fo a mutumi yi papa ni mfiri ya ka so obi ani pa boni fo a na obi ti mo sum no someone boni me ka cho so diabolical uyi edu Berchie film a enyeyi uyi edu Berchie e film a enyeyi that guy was very diabolic edu Berchie was very diabolic. Or a very wicked guy. I'm being honest with you. Me and Aminian, me penasa and chemi. But Berchie is a very wicked. A very wicked guy. Minim Sebia or the Filifie and Obehu Reverend Obina, Obehu say Ampa. I say Azami to Ayo and Omdio Mutuano. And I say Obehu Reverend Obi and a Reverend Obi, Sani enviness, no, any wickedness you are the Mudiam Twitch. How do you mean no sama? But down. Inga na no kwani ni.
Today,
Bless you.
No munya me boni. Me no tie wo mu bie mu da kofim say me kra be feel wiase.
Bless you. Bless you.
You know,
Now Osofo Kennedy. The other time I was saying say no be me papa Reverend Obi and change Osofo Kennedy. Titi blame Kennedy kwade oni Reverend Obi no. Me tia ka say wo hwe abusua no extended way na enka omo abusua mu oye na abusuani. Mami ngege no me Osofo Reverend Obi and change Apostle Kennedy no. Nana Tina and me Osofo Obi and change Apostle Kennedy no. But Busa say, fan and an Atina any Apostle Kennedy go shia, Ocean way, or Tony Dane. Or Tony Dane. Only no way. But Atina simply on social media. Someone on share the down, on the down, in the Biada. A control. A dinner 10 for years. And yet 1 week for years. onye ni bibia o onkasa mo ni din o eje se bia issue ku aba ene analyze issue no so wo ha ene aso wo ha there be all because ya can't say social media ne ko dinner tem ya man contract and he was on social media and then Ng3g3 is rendering unqualified apology to Apostle Kennedy because every day Ng3g3 say onye ne body dawo no onye ne bibia da no onye ne bibia dawo no onye ne bibia da sabi pediasa ne first Titibem Kennedy enko pe Ng3g3 eno ose mempre onne nko twe mpna dawo but yet because Reverend Obi adwembone say no me na mabusu ani no Titibem Kennedy abemi no that me shana I say the boy we eto form e say gu nani mase so onu ene edu Berchie e trance e plan say no me feel ma me Ng3g3 information kwa na nke ya mpa nke nya me ya ye pretend asif say ye ne ye ni ma me Ng3g3 emedi Kennedy atem ye ma na tina emedi Kennedy atem ye mo mu twam so ento do so en good animals on social media yes very wicked people very wicked people me debi amaka say obi antumi anka me meka o enne pempenso ma me Ng3g3 dru say enyo onu an na eka say wanya nu eno patch wali ka patch no sa ko Titibem Kennedy we so fan say ne enka ma me Ng3g3 na mabonte na obaga na no namo ena Kennedy hu no ene yem fan say bia Kennedy obi anim akoma ekura e bia na bufuo bi hyenu because based on the me Ng3g3 aye no share ma me Ng3g3 ena ye na pa e bia obo no ana ba akobọ ba akuku na busa say hwan na aye ene sani pano kreti da enemy tire to wono no ene ono ati social media e say twamfo eto di pa ono e kreti enemy ti ama no wo twamfo ama no I say amanfo no ono tinto social media e say sani pa this is Reverend Obi for you. This is the kind of man that I always talk about. And then the same do Berchie now or social media because of diabolic way mindset of Kuano, because of wickedness in Tino or to trust. Some mammy planet, mammy go for Bunsem, mammy for mammy Ng3g3, no mayor, near the NCH, Yammy Piano, mammy de mammy Ng3g3, mammy Canchero, mammy friend mommy, no fan and no social media. Now, man for mammy can't tell you and it was Siasano, and now on the social media, the same people who created those enemies for mammy Ng3g3, and now was your way to all them, it didn't get them. Very diabolic guy. Berchie, very diabolic. Berchie, very diabolic guy. Very diabolic. Very wicked guy. I'm telling you. The reason why Reverend Obi India do Berchie who go ni, and I'm telling you for a fact, only who go on see the form. Yes, I'm coming sure. Berchie, about Reverend Obi near do Berchie on see the form because of the wickedness. Because of the Berchie wickedness in Tino, Reverend Obi on see the form. I do Berchie any two eyes, man, I'm coming sure. Of value do Berchie a chain. Kwasian a club ya money a kwanya mumina, men am cancel. And ye be the NTO. And yes, I do Berchie in Bible can kind no. I do Berchie any day no, only be there. The reason why Reverend Obi India do Berchie won't go because I do Berchie a criminal, I do Berchie a diabolic or a wicked guy. That is the reason why Reverend Obi unfair do Berchie in form. Because a bad do Berchie say, yes, she Juma, Yanko Bopa, Kohen Macho for, no Munkobu, Kokachi way say, or Yanu Shahu, Yanko way, a bad said Jumana, a do Berchie a perfect, and for that matter, Reverend Obi ain't seen the form, say, I quite say, as I meet you, so me and Sana, as I meet you, no, my common to my bano. On sin the form. Only the music class. I won't pass your platform. and I'm sure Osofo Badu Kobi ho nsem egu paper so and do Berchie ti obusa question no oma form you ade e dem dada wo obusa question no na ne papa na ya no obusa na ne papa ni ya no enye bibia wo oma sure Osofo Badu Kobi ho nsem se yen cancer no na Osofo Badu Kobi impo ne ri oda na chi kura no ensan fi na chi ni pa nyina mpawo no edu Berchie ene ne papa na esan kwase ade no ene esan ni papa ne sem no yen trase yen twanso enfan to ne nyonko sofo so ne nyonko sofo a watumi abomode ayade a ono reverend obi entumi nya bi mo bi watumi atoka e ya che no ono onye bi da otumi nya bi so da no de akowuo mu eni amaka obetumi ba settings abegya so dem am waka bi o matoka me de ma oboa otumi nya bi da no de akowuo mu obi ye sade we man oni edu Berchie trase se yenhye ho yenka we to Ghana for dream na nipa nyam paw Badu Kobi nipa nyam ko si na buonku no san kwase ade no e na reverend obi e na edu Berchie kwase ane ye ne ono o Twitter social media say o Osofo working kan kwase a onu Twitter social media flow obi say oye ni interview na nipa na begya so I Goodman not Kumase no kwase afo mienu na mu gyan wo edu Berchie wo kwase animu wo member bia wagimi me nya san kwase ade nya san nipa bon nsem ne da me nya kramayo na mafia gu atafe wo edu Berchie wodi nkrama go social media wo nya kukuduro ko fro be gyan so e bo mi di matem na wo je ho kwase a me nya kramayo me ehia me se da kwa me nya kraman me mfin wo ntafe edu Berchie tie nie me nya kraman me mfin wo ensan kotafre what Jeffon so say someone share me more than 1 hour a weird channel now the same person as who kissing us on social media kraman mo jimi nti na mo yes san kwase ade no because the same thing na papa ne tie on no twin jail so dem bo obi dua e be wie che no say blessing ni pa no praise ni pa no e be wie che no han ni pa no say onko say obi pasiafo the can we dia open revenue obi asentu adua ho omuna eva mo be wa wasema open asem chen me papa no pasia oh no me papa no tieni o pa okubuza no nyame aduma 9th May Mother's Day program no odne de ekwa eba or turn to our 100 and have a support program. Oh, to avoid free. Oh no, or then to our 100 and have a support program. No 9th May program, yeah. Revenue will be turned to 100 never support to. Who to social media say, me papa say, and a good man there, who would that? I see ya. Or no, over support program upon no crime catch or support to, over support because no crime catch no. Onim sem na metu aka no ka che no wo ti onum wagya adi agogo o wagya ho
na ochina masabetia wonaso metia wonaso bie mu da se eto de ade na bibi pampo na mentiase a mefa fo afro na no mano ne me kra entie ubie mu da because me wiase am baaye unya me bone da me na mayo
mo me ye me get it say
me bomb
upon all these days no nya no me ye me de ongege hu ni upon everything no wan kase o ade no kwa no and obi na share she accepted everything. We're taking all the blame to herself. But the fact of the whole thing is that when the money is sound kwasi ade no and the same pan way but you know what pan no so oya abeka say ono onso obi a omo ye sanye mani nya wie no obeje obeka che wiase nya say onso obi a onso obi a me say I can't wait for the day mami ngege ebe see the eyes of firɛs Reverend Prophet Badu Kobi anim aka che ne say papa I'm sorry. I can't wait for the day Osofo Badu Kobi ebe shema mi ngege anim aka che ne say it's okay, I've forgiven you. Who adu Berchie? Oh, Osofo Badu Kobi. Be ma me obi wo nipa ba akopɛ wo busuama o te se Osofo Badu Kobi. Reverend obi na odi na chi no ene ku am say Osofo Badu Kobi a na mo pese wiase nyam paw no ene o me ne ba bia ye da so bo Osofo Badu Kobi din a ni din a sete ba bia ene ye bo papa ni din ye bo papa ndi Reverend obi din a ene guase na title on the nyam yaye shame one person wo busuama o te se Osofo Badu Kobi. And me say ene as we speak now a name pa Osofo Badu Kobi say anya bi on kasa for social media ko free so and name am say no pon say am say no mo ye ma de say di pa nyam pa no na sorry ngu on say no wadi upon everything am ye nya do Berchie. Me say you cannot compare o papa Reverend Obi nyam papa me twin compare no to Osofo Badu Kobi no ene still I boss Osofo Badu Kobi din a ni din e da so da ni pa nya adwin asiafo. Yeah, my baby John sorry man and my Jimmy Omo. I save some angels. I see ya. What nase? A plan say, you come on Yonko Sofo, you could sit a war. What is social media a bully amount for? Moment to be you will be pedal. Namu go quapa, Namu Jimmy. What you got to be back? What you planning for you be in the name of Dominic? A bonama, seven pediasa, not boy no and no fimoja. The money many, what do you pass here? Better share a quam of Fasua, who at first appear Biblica, Mukoya Sadian. One of wins to get here. I see ya. Oh, giant. Nippon pennies over you and my kind of crash. Oh, criminal like you, I'll treat you our camera. What you now could look for Pasiabi? No guy now, we interview no, some catch or say, and come in your guy and say 1 say I can bear me there. Minyani deep quite can bear me there. What you now could look for Pasiabi in the boat, he said, I, Papa, security for paying for me after I say, moi. I see, I wouldn't security paying for. Wouldn't security paying for. And I'm more than I say, what do Berchie? Oh, giant, we are sending Bema. What can I so called sure of Badu Kobi? And I'm not on social media. The video is still there. The video is still out there. Because the internet never forgets. The video is still out there. Nipa muma no contract ni bi no. Se mo ni ma enie na me bo a che no. Ngege one of the people muma no contract. Oh, Osofo Badu Kobi no. Enie na o pa che no. Asiafo.
Ko dada je. Me pa wa chew ene ya me pa wa chew. Na ochina masabe tia wo na so. Me tia wo na so bie mu da. Se eto dia dine bibi pampo na mentiasia me fafo afro na mo mano ne me kra entie obi mu da because me wiasia me bae unya me bone da me na yo entie anadwi me bompa say nyankopon de enche nyame de mbeba bedu asundwe mu Ghana. Islam say we so me send me akọ papa Kobi ho. This man because my ya I say.
Oh, it's only talk.
Me patch.
It's going out to boys. Boys in the be adamebo. Because boys no, my download it be adamebo. How and I know that you so kind to Yentewi and Yeri, the be amable. Therefore, Yamia was so to Yeri. Father, Mother's Day program levels. Mobile media will share a hair and a down, fly on the die, and win. It's no Yamia, mobile media to make a celibus. On California, Copaman and Sass. In just a dancing program Airbus. Yamia, 9th May. 9th May. And I've ready to send us. So, I'm to my boy. Penny was a Yenimuani. A Yakasatenti, Yenimuani. Insure by Trebema, because I'm bad in Soviet. Yeah, that's why I may conclude the amount. Anyone in Mr. Yeri, secretary of the answer, Castidians. The court must overturn to manage the microphone and still turn to my mom. It's the wonder. Now, what that? I really want. Hey, I need to have a fair. Sounds so, Emmanuela, Mensa, there's a Ella Mensa. And also, what say apples good? And a pay. Me da kwa me na. Me de me di eba. And a Ella Mensa, and so they did about fair. Some insoleba. Insolenti ebe to us. As I want to be there. But Father, see your life, see your life. Slow water woman. But to a boy, you pay money for. Midi, any Goodman, bang down.